Hey, right now I'll show you how to use this free Google Reviews widget that will make your website look 10 times more trustworthy without paying a cent. Sounds good? Perfect. So I'm on the ReviewConnect homepage, right? I go to free tools, Google Reviews widget. Yeah, this thing is completely free, no trial nonsense, just click create your free widget. Now obviously you need an account. So you put in your name, email, password, you've done this a million times. Then you confirm your email, they're gonna send you a verification link and boom, you're in. Once you're back in ReviewConnect, it asks for your phone number and how you found them. Standard stuff. You're now in the dashboard. From here, go again to free tools and better reviews. Hit add location, pick your country and find your business. I'm just using a random example here to show you how it works. As soon as you select the business, boom, the system scrapes every review directly from Google, no copy paste, no screenshots, just clean reviews ready to be embedded with your website. Click create collection and this is where magic happens. You give it a name, then set how many reviews you want shown, how they're sorted by relevance, newest, highest rating, or if you want to be honest, even lowest. You can go all FBI mode with filters, like only show 5-star reviews with the word amazing in them, or hide the weird ones with typos from 2016. Want reviews without text? Tick the box, it's all there. Now the juicy part, how it looks. Choose a theme, the layout style carousel usually works the best. The size adapts to your sites automatically, but you can still control the height. You can show or hide stuff like review photos, names, stars, or even a little review button. Total control. And there's this checkbox called Enable Review Schema. Yeah, tick that. It basically tells Google, hey, these are legit reviews, rank me better. It helps with SEO by embedding structured data that search engines love. Hit create collection and now you can grab the code. You've got two options, JavaScript or iframe. Go with JavaScript if you want it to help with your SEO. Just copy the code and paste it in your website's HTML, wherever you want the reviews to be shown up on your site. This widget works for any platform, Wix, Squarespace, custom-coded websites. Right now I'm doing it through WordPress. The widget is responsive, looks clean, and instantly adds credibility to your business. Here's how it looks on a real website. Simple, modern, perfect. Now look, if your business doesn't have enough reviews, there are options. You can use ReviewConnect itself to get real reviews written by actual people in your area, by hand, yes, with fingers on keyboards, no bots, no ChatGPT pretending to be ML from Manchester. Or yeah, you could buy some AI generated reviews of a sketchy Telegram channel for $5, but those come with a side effect, like getting your Google profile suspended, all your reviews wiped, and your reputation turning into a joke. So it's up to you. Real people or robot garbage with a digital footprint the size of a red flag. Peace.